Long ago, in the ancient kingdom of Kapilavastu, a prince named Siddhartha lived in unparalleled luxury. From the day he was born, his father, King Shuddhodhan, shielded him from all the harsh realities of life, ensuring the young prince knew only joy and abundance. Yet, deep within Siddhartha's heart, a yearning for something more stirred, a pull toward understanding the world beyond the palace walls. Siddhartha said to his charioteer, Chana, who is that man? Why does he appear so different from everyone else I have seen? Chana said, Prince, that is an old man. Age spares no one. All who live long enough will grow weak and frail like him. For the first time, Siddhartha realized that impermanence of youth, the vitality he took for granted was not eternal. A seed of discomfort was sown in his heart. Again Siddhartha said to his charioteer, What is wrong with that man? Why does he look so weak and pained? Shana said, Prince, that man is ill. Sickness can strike anyone at any time, robbing them of their strength and joy. The sight of sickness opened Siddhartha's eyes to yet another truth, the fragility of health and the suffering that comes with it. His heart grew heavy with questions about the nature of existence. Siddhartha said, Chana, what has happened here? What is that man not moving? Chana said, My prince, that man has died. Death is the end that awaits all living beings. No one can escape it. Death, a final, inescapable truth, shook Siddhartha to his core. The carefree existence he once knew now seemed a fleeting illusion. Siddhartha said, Who is this man, Chana? Why does he look so calm and content? Even with nothing to his name? Chana said, Prince, that is a monk. He has renounced all worldly possessions to seek inner peace and enlightenment. The sight of the monk lit a spark in Siddhartha's heart, a spark of hope and purpose. Perhaps there was a way to transcend suffering, a path to true freedom. Haunted by the foresights and driven by an unshakable resolve, Siddhartha left his princely life behind. On that fateful night, he stepped into the unknown, renouncing all to seek the truth about life, suffering, and liberation.